Worrying about how to treat kennel cough. When individuals hear their precious pet dog coughing away, it not just appears a bit unusual, however it can be really frightening too. This is because coughing is mainly connected with humans. The honest truth is that there is not that huge of a difference in between canines and humans when it concerns breathing infections. Canines suffer from breathing discomfort also. There has been some issue over the partnership between kennel cough and humans. While the possibility of an infection traveling between animals and humans could in the beginning show up complicated, there is study that supports that this is definitely the honest truth. Person Bordetellosis. People with a feeble invulnerable device are prone to Person Bordetellosis. Although this disorder is not typical, it's not unusual either, and its results can't not be disregarded. Vetcentric.com states that this ailment can be sent in between dogs and people with coughing. Besides people with a feeble invulnerable device, youngsters and expectant females have been shown to be in danger of contracting kennel cough. This condition is induced by a microorganism known as Bordetella brochiseptica. This microorganism can be compared with the Bordetella Pertussis Bacterium that leads to whooping cough. Some researchers say that there exists no partnership in between kennel cough and humans, as they hold the belief that there is no possibility of humans acquiring these sorts of conditions. Transmission of kennel cough is felt to be the main transmitter of kennel cough in humans. Those individuals residing in grimy and improperly ventilated locations are a lot more prone to this disease than those that reside in well-ventilated areas. Therefore, it is essential to ensure that your atmosphere is clean. Additionally, humans need to avoid communicating with infected pets. Flu as well as bad colds are likewise two signs that are usually connected with kennel cough. Prevention healthcare practitioners think that there is no should worry about kennel cough and humans. This is normally since prevention of these illnesses is simpler than managing them once they occur. Those who would certainly such as to stay clear of experiencing the problems of being contaminated with kennel cough ought to stay clear of connecting with contaminated pet dogs, because the health problem is airborne in attributes. In case you think you can't not stay clear of connecting with pets, after that you should take into consideration vaccinating them. Procedure. Although some researchers argue that there is no correlation between kennel cough and humans, we can come across some people having the exact same symptoms as their pet dogs do after connecting with them while they had kennel cough. Using prescription antibiotics has actually proven to be efficient for managing kennel cough in people. In order to regulate mild signs, clients are suggested to make use of cough suppressants. Utilizing anabolic steroids is strongly prevented, for they deteriorate one's invulnerable system. From these realities, it is clear that kennel cough has resulted in wear and tear of health amongst people and pet dogs. It does not matter its transmission source, all individuals need to rise to the occasion and guarantee that they battle this health problem. If you are still concerned about your dog's cough, you could check out this resource. You'll find all kinds of answers to questions like how to treat kennel cough. Many people have had good success with it. So remember, the answers you need for your pet's health, like how to treat kennel cough, will help you be confident you are giving your dog the best care possible.